gents, hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. I hope everybody's doing good as I'm strolling my ass to my bike and folks are taking pictures in front of buildings, I guess. Not sure exactly what the benefit is. I mean, yeah, good looking girl. Sure, why not? So weird. Like I don't sell my looks, so I don't see the point of taking a million pictures of my pretty face. But I guess I sell the look of my bike and whatnot. Anyway, it's here. It's still here. Who would have thought? I really like this old school range. It's kind of dope. I parked kind of sketchy this morning, but oh, look at that. A little Royce. Hell yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I couldn't really catch who was in the back there. Who was in the back of that Royce? But I'd imagine it's somebody quite fancy, quite cool. Let's go. Wait, what? I don't even know what it's telling me. Why? I have no idea what's going on. My GPS has just told me to do some crazy shit. Whatever. Alright, boys and girls. And it's getting hot. And today is a Tuesday, so it's a Tool Tuesday kind of situation. Am I even recording? Or am I just talking to myself? I mean, it's hard to tell sometimes. Yo, those girls are still photoing. I guess the sun is really good or something. Hopefully that girl is making money. Because if all that shit is for like fun, I don't know. I'm just hating, I guess. Recording? Good. Look at him. Good Lord. What the fuck? What are you doing, lady? Folks. Sorry. Let's see what this traffic is all about and why there is so much of it. What's the issue here? Oh my goodness, that was not. What the? I don't know what to tell you, boys and girls. Imagine driving a car. Fuck that. I just fucking made light work of all that shit. Light work. Easy job. My leg definitely hurts. I'm excited for this surgery. I'm gonna get it done as soon as possible. Uh-oh, speed camera. Slow way down, cause I ain't getting caught for 50 bucks again. Fuck you. Fuck you, camera. Fuck you, camera. Oh, did I get caught again? I hope I didn't. Fuck. 4. It's possible. I mean, I don't know. Oh, whatever. Fuck it. My leg hurts a little bit. Ooh, R3. A squid, a full-out squid in an R3. Shocking. Shocking. Imagine that boy put on some fucking riding gear. I mean, the thing is, it's like so many squids everywhere. Everybody's a squid. I'm the only asshole geared up. I mean, I'm also riding like an ass, so don't know what to tell you. That sidewalk move was fucking fire, though. You gotta admit, that sidewalk move was fire. Bro, that saved me 16 and a half hours. 16 and a half hours. And this guy is trying to find, what is this guy doing? Fucking jerk off. That guy ran a red light. That fucking Saturn station wagon. That baby's a fucking rarity. Impressive. Anyway, this might have been the fastest commute from work to home ever in my history. I was just fucking, I went just bananas. Sweet, sweet bananas.